Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy with our brand new signal. Today's signal is going to be on EURUSD and it's going to be a buy signal. And as always, with no more time to waste, let's go to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on calendar, currently the seller side is much more stronger than the buyer side. Actually, not much more, just a little bit. But the overall points that this currency has gotten through the previous week was positive, and these points are the proof that the price overall movement is to the upside. But for now, there is going to be a small correction to the downside, and today's news show that the price will do its correction shortly. But as we all know, news are not enough, so let's head to the chart and see what we have there. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on EURUSD on 1 hour time frame, and I have pre-drawn this setup for you guys. There has been a beautiful channel recently in this currency, and this channel has been broken, and the correction to the downside is about to happen. And as you can see on the new candle, we have a little bit more of a bullish mindset in the market currently, and that's it. That's actually enough for the market to pull the price back to its breakout point, and again it will move to the upside. And these two actually vertical lines shows that the price is going to face a resistance after its correction to the downside. And as always, what I want you guys is to sit back and enjoy, so I can make this setup a little bit beautiful, a little bit more beautiful and prettier for you. And enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, I just wanted to end the video with a beautiful quote. It's not whether you're right or wrong, that's important, but how much money you make when you're right and how much you lose when you're wrong. I wish you all a good day and peace.